Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akanksha and you're watching my channel Absolutely AK. And today's video is yet another real life vlogs video. Also a new series that I've started, and that is the pregnancy series. And आज का video is all about announcing and telling all that we are pregnant. Yeah, so this is the exciting thing about today's video, because we'll be talking about a lot of things that we experienced together as a couple in this pregnancy phase. So video start karte हुए, let's move on to the first thing, and that is
I do need to introduce me.
oh yeah, so this is Sachin, my husband, and most of you all have seen him in the many of the traveling vlogs that I have put up. And today's very little नहीं है, but there quite a bit. I'm sure everyone recognizes Sachin कौन है, क्या करता है. So yeah, this is my husband, and we're damn excited about this phase. And आज के वीडियो में I thought it should be also, I should also include him and we should do the video together. So if you like, on that note, if you do like this video and you like seeing us together, encouragement देने के लिए, motivation देने के लिए, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Alright, so coming to the pregnancy series. So there are a lot of questions which come to us, and I think we should take those questions one by one. So the पहला question is कि हमको पता कैसे चला कि we are pregnant. So I think कितने बजे पता चला था? सुबह के कुछ 5 या 6 बजे. I know बहुत ही odd timing है, because no one really checks on whether they are pregnant or not at 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning.
Unless you're Akanksha.
Yeah. So they say that you should always check with the first tea in the morning. So 5 or 6 o'clock I just couldn't handle. I couldn't bear the pressure. So I went and I was like, अब कौन एक और दिन waste करेगा? And I went and I took the test, and I think I saw the 2 lines, but मुझे ऐसे विश्वास ही नहीं हो रहा था. Like it wasn't sinking in only that ये 2 lines हैं सच्ची में.
It was very early also.
It was, yeah.
And the lines were very faint also.
Faint also, yeah. So it was early and lines were faint, and that's the reason why I was like कि एक बार ही सचिन को पूछ के देखती हूँ, but he was sleeping. तो I was like क्या करूँ, पूछूँ या नहीं पूछूँ. But I was like चलो ठीक है, मैं आराम से बोल देती हूँ कि okay ऐसा हुआ है, and what do you think? And to my surprise, I don't know, वैसे he is a very deep sleeper, and उस दिन
ये न्यूज़ सुन के किसी की भी नींद उड़ जाएगी. So,
तो नींद उड़ गई.
और क्या?
तो ये तो अच्छी न्यूज़ है.
अच्छी न्यूज़ है,
But I know you were
comes
like,
with its own
I know,
feeling.
emotions. So so when I said कि baby I want to talk to you, I did the test, and then I think there are 2 lines. What did you feel?
I saw the lines,
Yeah.
and then मतलब it just clicked कि
You were
it's-
sure.
I was sure in that time.
First go.
It's happened, but I think I was very calm about it.
Yeah, very.
I was very calm. I was like, congratulations, it's done. I was that calmness wala happy
Yeah.
kind of a thing.
मैं hyper थी, but he was like,
Yeah, she's the hyper one. I'm the calm one. So,
and I remember you just like he just hugged me and he said, baby हो गया, congratulations, we are now parents, and
promoted.
we are now promoted to being parents. And I think कुछ भी नहीं, we didn't do anything. We just hugged and we went off to sleep. Yeah, we just went off to sleep and we were like आगे का कल देखेंगे क्या करना है. So yeah, so that was how we found out, and of course then we got it confirmed and stuff like that. So yeah, if on that note you like our little story, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And
इतनी बार मांगो।
okay, so to that, at least comment, give us, shower us with your blessings. So yeah. The next question that comes up is ki why are we announcing it now? Because we are now in the 8th month. So a lot of people ask us that why are we announcing it right now, or why did we choose specifically the 8th month? Because generally 3rd month के बाद सब announce कर देते हैं, but जो उसका
I
reason,
think things have been really hectic also.
yeah,
It's an entire phase that you go through. So I don't think you really have the time to think about other things and devote that kind of time into making a YouTube video, editing it, putting it out there. So I think after the first 2 trimester, the 3rd trimester has been relatively smoother, easier.
yeah, and now we feel more comfortable with this whole idea of having a baby. And I also think पहले when we started this journey, पूरा COVID का scenario was on and we were in the lockdown, we were in the middle of the lockdown, so we also did not feel that that is also not the right time to announce something like as big as this. And
My parents also got COVID.
yeah, Sachin's parents also got COVID in the middle. And yeah, so just because of different reasons, and then there are सबको पता है ये वाला reason, नजर लग जाएगी. So
that is the cliche.
exactly. So keeping a few things like these in mind, and then our different work, different work patterns and routines. So yeah, कभी मौका ही नहीं बना, but now that we are comfortable about it, we
And
thought why not.
And it takes time to convince me
To
enter
that's
the YouTube.
why उसने बोला है, Sachin has promised if we get maximum amount of likes on this video, he will start coming in the videos with me. So please. So yeah, so that's the reason why we came up with this video and we finally made the video. The next thing that people also like to know is how did we announce it to our parents and how did we announce it to our friends. So why not start with the first people to inform were Sachin's parents. So
Yeah, so I think my dad being a doctor, I get my calmness from him. So he was very chill about it, and obviously everyone in the house was really happy and stuff like that. So one fine day in the morning, we didn't wait actually. We
Yeah.
immediately, once we got the news, the first person that I wanted to tell was my parents. Because my dad being from the medical side of things will be of great help. So
and can guide us also better.
yeah, since he has a lot of doctor friends and stuff like that. So we went and told them. They were really happy about it. It's their second grandchild. Like my elder sister's already had a child, so the
Yeah.
second grandchild. So they know the drill.
Yeah.
So they were very happy about it, and they gave us our blessings and everything.
Yes.
And they asked us to go and pray in the temple. We went to the
Yes.
temple and we prayed that the journey should be smooth
Smooth.
and successful.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Yeah, and of
That's
course
our
we
plan.
were also concerned because we were in the middle of the lockdown. So they were really scared that we should be indoors and
More
we
careful
should be,
now.
yeah, we should be more careful, protect ourselves, and eat healthy and do all the healthy things to take care of ourselves and the little one. So yeah, that was the case with Sachin's parents, and then of course I took I think a week or so till we did not confirm to tell my parents about it. And so once we had the confirmation and a go ahead from the doctor, I planned to go ahead and tell my parents, and we got this cake just where we wrote what did we write? We wrote promoted to Nana, Nani and Masi, and we just kept that cake. उनको surprise दिया हम लोग ने ये बोल के कि सचिन का एक बहुत बड़ा contract है and we wanted to celebrate and all. तो we went and we kept that cake and we told them कि आप आओ कट करके देखो ना and all and everything and हम लोग ने record किया. So I am going to share the video with you all where my dad was totally like ये क्या हो रहा है ये क्या हो रहा है.
It was more of a shock for them.
Yeah, they didn't expect this coming at all.
Yeah.
They were like dad was like ये क्या हो रहा है and mummy was like हो गया oh भगवान and she was like चलो pray करने चलते हैं and she took us to the mandir and my sister started crying. She had like happy tears and she got very emotional about it and it was a wonderful moment. And
it is an emotional family.
Yeah, we are the emotional ones. So we so that's what. And let me just take you to the clip. Alright, so that was the reaction from my parents' side, and then of course we waited for the 3-month, 12 weeks deadline.
Till we went into the second trimester.
So there's this transition phase from first to second trimester, which is also considered as the most safest period to announce it to the world.
I think one fact why the second trimester is very important is 80% of the miscarriages or failed pregnancies happen in the first trimester.
Correct.
So the first trimester is very important. So before telling the entire world, it is important that we cross the first trimester.
Yeah, and that is the most difficult also, I feel, compared to the second and the third trimester, because you are going through a lot of changes. So we did wait for that, and once we were comfortable that okay, now our close set of friends can know about it, and I was comfortable with my body and all the changes that were coming with the pregnancy. तो हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया चलो कुछ क्लोज के फ्रेंड्स को बोला जाए, बाद में देखी जाएगी बाकी फ्रेंड्स को. सो वी डिसाइडेड ऑन 2 days कि ये 2 दिन में सब क्लोज फ्रेंड्स को बोल देंगे. And so what was the reaction for your friends?
Everyone was, some people were surprised, some people were extremely happy.
Some were like, we knew it.
Yeah,
we
some
knew it.
people are like, we knew it. We had this hunch, that hunch.
Yeah.
I think COVID vaccination was an important thing in that, because she couldn't get vaccinated.
Yeah, so hints were there.
Everyone was like, why isn't she getting vaccinated? Being from a doctor family.
Exactly.
So then a lot of bahanas, and after all that, I think, but one thing common was everyone was really excited and happy, obviously.
Obviously, yeah.
And although it's not the first baby in the group, but it's
Definitely.
the initial.
Yeah, मतलब हम सब फ्रेंड्स की इकट्ठे शादी हुई है, and एक आध का ही अभी बेबी हुआ है, तो it's relatively a newer thing only for everyone.
जिनका बेबी हुआ है, they are happy, they are welcoming in the club.
Yeah.
And जिनका नहीं हुआ, तो they are obviously excited about the entire.
Exactly, and now we are on the side where we can also give guidance and advice to others.
Right.
So I still remember हम लोग ने सबको बुलाया था घर पे, and we gave them a small little treat at home, and we showed them that plug card where we said we are positive, and for a second we are positive मतलब क्या
COVID positive.
COVID positive. And then it took like some 2-3 minutes for them to register. No, this is like the other one.
Yeah.
And so everyone enjoyed that dinner, and we had a nice time, and that's how he told his friends. And with respect to my friends, I had to call them, and like, I mean, I called them, and they were like very excited. They were like, oh, we are going to become Masis. And from my girl gang point of view, I'm the first one who's having a baby, so all the more the excitement is high. And then one by one, each of them came over, and they, you know, got me some gifts, and like we sat and we did our girly talks, and so it was awesome, you know, celebrating this and announcing it to everyone. And I think we can expect the same from our YouTube family as well. The same level of excitement, the same level of showering of blessings. So please do shower us with your blessings, and pray for a healthy and happy baby. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel, to our channel from now on, at least for the pregnancy series.
For this video only.
If you like, then he will come in more videos. And stay tuned for more such fun videos, and also some informative videos with respect to pregnancy and life of a pregnant woman, and then life of a mother. So so we have lots and lots of new
So
content
life of
coming
a
up.
father नहीं आया इसमें. Life of a pregnant woman, life of a mother. So father is not involved.
अगर फादर को इन्वॉल्व करना है तो ढेर सारे लाइक्स दो, बिकॉज वो लाइक्स के बिना मोटिवेट नहीं होता है. दैट्स द सिंपल रूल. So we will end the video here, and like I always say, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.